How to fix Facebook Reels not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Facebook Reels not showing. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So if you're having problems playing reels on your Facebook, you can try some of these troubleshooting tips. First is checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a good and stable internet. You can also switch to mobile data. If you switch to mobile data and if that works for you, that's great. That means it's just your network issue. If not, if none of those work, what you'll need to do is, if you've opened up your app, simply swipe up from the bottom and remove it from the background. That is some of the basic fixes. The other thing that you can do is head over to your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and if you see an update button like this, tap on the update button to update your app. This will help you clear out some persistent bugs, and that should fix your problem for you. If not, if this does not work, head over to your settings, head over to apps. From apps, go to see all apps, then search for Facebook. After you find it, open it up, and from here navigate to storage and cache and simply tap on clear cache. Doing that will remove any corrupted files, if there is, of Facebook, and that should fix the problem for you. If none of these work, try to uninstall the app and then reinstall it, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.